What did one traffic light say to the other? Stop looking, I'm changing. You're welcome. All right, so today we are gonna finish getting everything out of the shipping container, and we're gonna start moving some stuff out of the garage, and we're gonna take it over to our new storage unit. And then after that, we're gonna go look at a piece of property that's 60 acres. So online it looks really cool. It's got a bunch of pastures. I'm pretty sure there's a pond on it even. And then there's an old community hall on it. I'm not really sure what kind of condition that building's in. It's pretty old and it looks like it's like all boarded up, but we're kind of wondering if maybe we could restore it. And if not, we could probably use it as storage either for our stuff or a place for us to live in the winter while we're building our house. So we have to go and see it and kind of get a feel for it, see what's behind those walls in the old community hall, see if it's worth restoring or if it just needs to be totally torn down. The problem we're running into here is that everything is flying off the market, like right away. It's so frustrating. So we've been looking at different properties and stuff, and then by the time you get a chance to even put an offer in, it's just already got an accepted offer or somebody else outbid us. We've had that happen a couple times where we've been outbid on a property. It's just absolutely nuts. You would think during all this going on in the world that the housing market wouldn't be so crazy, but here in New Brunswick, it seems like a lot of people from Ontario are panicking, want out and buying properties here in New Brunswick. So they're buying up all our dang land. So anyway, we're gonna go check all that out. Hopefully it's nice. Hopefully we can put an offer in and not get outbid again. I don't know, but we're gonna have a peek and see what comes of it. So let's go to the storage unit and then check it out. We'll bring you along and show you the outbuilding. We'll show you the land and all that sort of stuff and see what you guys think. Here we go again. Every day this week. We are gonna rent a U-Haul here, and I think tomorrow or in 2 days we're gonna pick it up, and then that way we're just gonna fully load it and only do one more trip after this. So
these little bits help us get ahead of it, so you don't get to do everything all at once.
Yeah, that's the only reason we didn't, is we just like less stressful packing a little bit every day, and we head down this way anyway to look at land. So if we're already coming down here, going to the camper, looking at land, we might as well just take a load with us. But we do want to just load up the truck over the weekend and then, yeah, bring it in Monday and be done with it. That's for sure. It's a nice day though. It's a little cooler, so that's good.
It's been hot.
It's been real hot. Got our big Mapleberry sign, Mapleberry Farm sign back there. That's gonna look some sharp at a new place. Just gotta find the place.
It's never been put up.
No, never was even put up at that house.
No.
It's awesome. Looks great.
So people ask, is it gonna be Mapleberry Farm? No. Mapleberry Farm is where we go.
Yeah, we're at Mapleberry Farm.
Yeah.
So wherever we end up, that's where Mapleberry Farm is.
You and Wonder Woman. Hey? These keys like weird, eh?
I know, they're weird how they bend like that.
Maybe it's just so you can get in it like this.
Oh, maybe.
Makes sense.
We're opening our second unit.
Whoa.
Just to kind of arrange stuff in a certain order. Oh, rip the dang door off.
That up.
Holy mackerel.
Yeah, for a sec, I saw that white sticker. I thought it was a plug. I was like, that's weird. They live in there.
Yeah. Woo.
She loves them.
Oh, yeah. Let's unload some gym equipment. You're silly. Sam, don't close it anymore. Dad's coming with this.
I don't think she can open it. The keys fell down this hole.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
They're stuck. Got it.
Bad, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it fell out in the garbage.
These are pretty beat up.
Yeah.
Still works good.
Does still work, luckily. Oh, it's really strong.
Hey, if we sit here, maybe we could throw some crap.
Yeah.
That's all right. Hey.
Yeah. So we're looking at a piece of land here which has an old community hall on it. Which is kind of neat, but we can't get in to look at it right at the moment. It's old, really, really old. Let me see if I can show you in the window. So I don't know if we could restore it or if we could just live in it for the winter while we build, or what thought would happen there. So there's the inside of it. Look at the view behind me. It's way more farm country now. So this is nearly 60 acres and it has this brook that runs through it. So that's really cool.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Do you see the minnows, Sam? Look down there.
But I see other tiny things too. Even smaller things.
Sam likes the field.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Big open area.
Yeah, there's apple trees on it through the field. There's old farm fence here and stuff too.
This would be the area I'd want to build, I think.
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah.
I love having all the field.
So do I. That's what I like, the fields.
First order of business is getting this
Tractor.
cut.
We need to get a tractor.
Yeah. Either we have to buy one or somebody with a tractor's got to come cut it all and then we got to maintain
Well,
it.
even if we just get an old one.
Yeah.
Let's walk the field somewhere though. There's
Yeah.
a big hill I want to see. I want to see from up the hill.
Yeah, what it looks like.
We're kind of up on a hill here. You can see fencing all down along here. The brook's in this way too. It also has a pond in one of the pastures here. This is pretty cool, eh?
Oh, yeah.
A pond right in the middle of one of the pastures.
I don't think we'll have a problem getting a well. There's
Yeah.
lots of water around here.
Yeah,
That's cool.
it's cool because this place was already all wired. There's already barbed wire on the fence here in all these fields. I'm gonna walk back through here too. There's fence in here, and there's like different pastures fenced in.
So we got another load in. It's starting to get pretty full in here. I may only fit like boxes, or I could probably throw some of the mattresses, our bed mattresses up there. We'll see. We do have another unit, not this one beside us, but the one beside it, that we will put most of the furniture in the next couple of days. So we'll head home. I'm gonna start taking her bunk bed apart, probably take the top bunk and maybe we'll stack it in here in the next couple of days. But we're trying to keep most of our tools like this up at the front so we can easily get at them if when we're gonna build again. So yeah, that's why it's kind of like crammed right there. Before we wrap this up, you know that land we just showed you? Well, we put an offer in.